Good morning, students. So today we are up here with the online classes of Valley Public School for class 6 English 2, and we are going to start the chapter 2, and the chapter name is Every Man's Well. It is written on the board over here. The board would be coming with certain informations and that would be displayed to you, and when the board is displayed to you, you would be pausing the board and note it down all the information in your copy. Now coming back. First of all, we are going to deal with the author who has written this story over here. The chapter name is Every Man's Well, and it is adapted and inspired from the Sunbeam Diver. So it is adapted and inspired from the Sunbeam Diver. Means it has been taken from, or the story has been taken from an old story named as the Sunbeam Diver. Sunbeam Diver, you must have heard about certain objects which we used to play in the early childhood, like mirrors. Mirrors were used to flash out the sunbeams on certain objects, like a LED flash or something like that. That is known as the sunbeam. Okay, and diver means the sunbeam, the flash of the light from the mirror which goes deep inside the water. That is diver. That is known as the Sunbeam Diver. Okay. So it has been taken from this story, the Sunbeam Diver, and now after recapitulating the story, it has been named as Every Man's Well, and it was written by Vasil Vitka. Okay, his name is over here, Vasil Vitka, and he was a Soviet poet. Not only a poet, he was also an author, but he was greatly named or known for his poems. Okay, so his name was Vasil Vitka. After a lot of research, I have not got a single photograph also, but I have got some information for you all that is important for you. And he was a Soviet poet, renowned for his poems, but he also wrote some stories also. Okay, so now coming back, we are going to start with about the author. What is Vasil Vitka's career, or what was he, something to know about him. Like about the author, we can go like the first point, as born, when he was born. He was born in 16th of May 1911, Evlichi, Belarus. Okay, he took birth in 16th of May 1911. That was a city in Evlichi. Okay, so it was named as Evlichi, that is situated in the country of Belarus. Belarus is a country situated in European Union, that is in Europe. But at that time, when he took birth in 1911, in 100 years back from now, that time that part of the country, that is Belarus, was under the Soviet Union. Okay, Soviet Union is named as the Russian Empire. You can also call the Soviet Union as the Russian Empire because Russia captured that place, and it was, that place was controlled by Russia only at that time. That all the places, different places than Russia, which Russia controlled at that time, was named as Soviet Union. Okay, so at that place he took birth and died in, the second point is, died in 5th of July 1996, that is Minsk in Belarus. And he died in Minsk, that is again a city of Belarus only, the country Belarus, and he died in 5th of July 1996. That is also was in Europe, that was the Soviet Union or the Russian Empire at that time, till that time. Okay, so third point we are coming, that is the notable works. What type of works he has done in his career? Notable works are like some of the poems, very famous poems written by him I am discussing over here, that is Noon, Loyalty, The Checkup. 2-3 poems I have mentioned over here. Many others are there, like short stories are also there, or other poems are also there. And after that, we are going to move on to the notable awards. You can keep the Sunbeam Diver also in his notable works, because we are going to study this. We can keep this also. Notable awards, what he has won in his career for his work. He has been awarded 2 orders. Here it is very simply written, he has been awarded 2 orders. Orders over here means 2 big prizes over here. Means they used to call it as orders, but it is actually meaning as 2 big prizes for literature in his own country. He was awarded 2 big prizes for that, and it was almost like a laureate or giving an award equal to a laureate or giving an award equal to the scholars of research universities. Okay, so that was the award awarded to him, the 2 awards, and as well as medals, and he was also awarded with some medals for his literature or writing works. Okay, so that was all about the author, and a little bit information I would be giving about the chapter also in this vlog, and in the next vlog we are going to discuss about the whole chapter. The chapter name first. The chapter name is Every Man's Well. What does the chapter name means? Every man, what is mean? What does every man mean? Every man means over here public, general public, for all. That is every man. And well means well. That is in Hindi we can call as kuan. So Every Man's Well, this is the story name, means a well that is for everybody, for general public. And in this story we are going to study about Sana, a small girl, and his father's story about, and their story attached with their own well. Okay, so how they are going to dig up a well, or they are going to have fresh water from the well, or what happens in the further story, how does the story goes on with the purpose of getting more and more fresh water, that is all dealt in this chapter. Okay, so in the next vlog we are going to deal the chapter, the explanatory part of the chapter. So till then, thank you.